Every great journey begins with a dream. More than 4 decades ago, Ethiopian immigrants across North America shared a vision to preserve their culture, strengthen their community, and inspire future generations through the universal language of sports. That vision became reality. Today, we proudly celebrate the 43rd Annual Ethiopian Sports Federation in North America, a remarkable tradition that has united thousands of Ethiopians and friends of Ethiopia from across the United States and Canada. Welcome to Minnesota. Welcome to ESFNA 2026. The Ethiopian Sports Federation in North America, widely known as ESFNA, was established in 1984 as a non-profit, non-political, and non-religious organization dedicated to promoting amateur soccer while preserving Ethiopian culture and heritage. What began as a modest gathering of passionate soccer players and volunteers has grown into the largest annual Ethiopian diaspora sporting and cultural festival in the world. Every summer, thousands travel from every corner of North America, not only to compete on the field, but to reconnect with family, lifelong friends, and the traditions that define Ethiopian identity. For many, ESFNA is more than a tournament. It is a reunion. It is a celebration of belonging. It is home. Soccer may bring us together, but culture keeps us together. Throughout the week, ESFNA transforms into a vibrant festival celebrating Ethiopian heritage. Traditional music fills the air. Colorful cultural performances remind us of our rich history. Families enjoy authentic Ethiopian cuisine. Businesses showcase innovation and entrepreneurship. For 43 years, ESFNA has demonstrated that sports possess the extraordinary power to unite people beyond differences. Players compete with passion. Volunteers serve with dedication. Sponsors invest in community. Families travel hundreds and sometimes thousands of miles simply to be together. The tournament has become an annual tradition passed from parents to children. Many of today's athletes once attended ESFNA as children, cheering from the sidelines. Today, they proudly wear their city's jersey. Tomorrow, another generation will continue the tradition. That is the true legacy of ESFNA. In 2026, history is made once again. For the first time in many years, the beautiful state of Minnesota proudly hosts the 43rd Annual ESFNA Soccer Tournament and Cultural Festival. At the magnificent TCO Stadium in Eagan, Minnesota, thousands gathered during the week of June 27th through July 4th, 2026, celebrating sport, culture, and community together. Minnesota is known as the land of 10,000 lakes. Today, it also becomes the gathering place for thousands of Ethiopian hearts. From every state, from every province, from every generation. We arrive not as strangers, but as one family.
Behind every successful tournament are countless volunteers whose names may never appear on the scoreboard. Board members, organizing committees, medical teams, security personnel, referees, photographers, media crews, sponsors, community leaders, and hundreds of dedicated volunteers. Their commitment makes this celebration possible.
Quietly behind the scenes so that thousands of families can create unforgettable memories. Today, we honor every volunteer whose service strengthens our community. Your dedication has helped build a tradition that continues to inspire generations. To every athlete who has worn an ESFNA jersey, thank you. You represent not only your city, but the dreams of an entire community. Every match teaches teamwork. Every victory inspires hope. Every challenge builds character. Whether lifting the championship trophy or encouraging teammates from the bench, every participant contributes to the remarkable story of ESFNA. Competition creates champions. Community creates legends. 43 years have passed. Thousands of matches have been played. Millions of memories have been created. Yet the journey continues. As we celebrate this historic milestone in Minnesota, we also celebrate something even greater: the resilience of the Ethiopian diaspora, the strength of our unity, and the promise of future generations. May this tradition continue to grow. May our culture continue to flourish. May our youth continue to dream. And may ESFNA remain a symbol of excellence, friendship, and Ethiopian pride for decades to come. From everyone gathered here at TCO Stadium, from Minnesota to Ethiopians across North America, and to our brothers and sisters around the world, thank you for being part of this extraordinary journey. Together, we celebrate our past. Together, we embrace our present. Together, we build our future. Happy 43rd anniversary, ESFNA. Welcome to Minnesota. Long live Ethiopian unity. See you at ESFNA 2027.
Thank you for exploring Ethiopian culture with us.